Hello friends, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel The Hacking Stuff. In this video, I will create Jarvis with Python. This video is part 1 speech to text recognition. So let's begin. First we have to install a module. Let's see. Pip install speech recognition. It may take a while for you, but for me requirement is already satisfied. Now first we have to import our library. Import speech recognition as SR. Now b equal to sr dot recognizer. This is for initializing the recognizer with sr dot microphone as source. We will use here a microphone as source. Print Jarvis speak anything, sir. Audio equal to v dot this is listening to the source. Try equal to v dot nice Google Audio. Vivek said format text. This is converting audio to text. Accept. Sorry, sir. I did not get that. This is we are creating an exception that if it is not able to recognize our voice, this will give this exception. Our code is complete. Now let's check. Hello, it is listening to me. If it see, it is saying sorry sir, I didn't get you because I didn't told anything, just created sound. Now subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video. Okay guys, this was our Jarvis is working. We will improve this more in coming videos. Thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe. Keep following this series of Jarvis for getting more projects, and press the bell icon for getting latest video notification. Thank you.